The reason why people like us, they happy, make Igbo people come out for Nigeria is that there is a property in Edo State where me myself want to occupy. I want to occupy Igbo people property for Edo State. E get one warehouse when I just put mine, say if Igbo man come out, that warehouse, I swear to God, now me go embezzle that warehouse. That is the reason why me and they pray. May God do one for Igbo people. May they just cause problem. That problem will go lead to agony, will go lead to war, will go lead to problem. When we go see chance invade Igbo people property. Una know say there be ED invaders, ED developer, that they develop people state to state. If you see Igbo people business for my state, my brother, why they no go come out? Tell me why the reason why Igbo no go come out. If they come out, na advantage to me. That warehouse, my brother, na 3-story building. Na warehouse material, building material, cars. Now they sell for the warehouse. My guy, if a Igbo man just make pen for today, my brother, everybody, you dey America, you dey Canada, my brother, we go enter house. I swear to God, we go enter house because that warehouse, Igbo man warehouse, I swear to God, I go embezzle that one. Now that one me want put body so that any Igbo man will say he rugged and dogged. Make it come say their brother warehouse for Edo State. Make Igbo man come say na he get her. Now that time he go know whether he go see his head take come out or he go there alive to enjoy the property when he want complain for Edo State. You just the verse say my brother why me they talk like this. Now opportunity for we to embezzle Igbo people property. That is the reason why we they do underground prayer, fasting and prayer for Igbo people to continue to have problem or for problem for that country so that they go run leave their property. Not be like my brother, they go run leave their property. Now that one be mumu when they say they're mumu. Now that one be wiseness when they say they're wise. Now we they develop Nigeria. Now we my brother we go change una inherit una property. Not be like teaching and play. Don't play or Igbo people now will learn in a hard way. One love.
I suppose this guy na Edo guy and he dey abroad. Can you imagine? Onye dey to an abroad, he's in abroad and he's eyeing something at home while people are bringing something from abroad home. That is to say, Okota CJ Ebono. He don't know what he's doing abroad. You know, we say people go out for greener pastures to make it abroad and bring back home. This kind one, I don't know whether na Alabanco he go do abroad. Can you imagine what is coming out from his mouth? People are looking for senseless opportunities. Eh? Meanwhile, let me first caution Igbo people before I continue. Continue to develop Lunde Madabeha. Or if I continue, continue to develop Lunde Madabeha. Follow the Fahanacho. Look at what they want. This is not only just about Ndibini. Even the West people, Southwest people, that is what they want. I had their renaming streets. That is what I had recently. You pay money, you grab something, you work hard and pay money, you build something, they want to take it back from you. They say Nigeria is one. If you want to leave, they tell you not to leave. Even this guy, he doesn't want Igbo people to leave. He's just saying it. If he had another way of doing it so that they will still stay, but he grabs the property. Lazy people everywhere. People are thinking about how to work hard, ways of earning money, to build houses, estates. People are thinking about how to go far in life. But this particular one, just like many of them, there are many people like this guy in the western part of Nigeria, southwest, and south. Their own is to occupy what somebody else has built. Can you even manage it? Do you have the managerial skills? You think Igbo man should leave so that you occupy there. Can you manage it? You instead of you to make money, become rich, learn new skills, your own target, and you are in abroad is Igbo properties, how to take them. Shame on you. Shame on you. You know how criminal minds work? For me, this is an example of criminal mind. Because when you want to take what does not belong to you, you have criminal intention. Because someone should work for. They say, if you work, you eat. You work, you earn. Perhaps he's sleeping in Europe, I don't know. He went one of this Western world, I don't know where he is. Igbos should just let there be war, let there be violence, so that the Igbos will lose what they possess. He has targeted a warehouse. Can you manage it? When you sell all the goods there, can you put another? You think it's my? There are so many forests in Edo State. So many bushes waiting to be cleared. That is what you should be thinking about. How I will make money and build roads in these bushes, build estates. How we'll convert those bushes to money. How there'll be roads crossing the estates, developers. And you are there thinking about waiting for the unfortunate Igbos to abandon what they work hard to earn. Let me tell you, you cannot manage what is not your sweat. You're wasting your time. It is not your sweat, you cannot manage it. Within a year, you would have sold all. At auction rate, it remains replacing. You don't understand. I blame my Igbo people for developing other people's area. Having understood the kind of mind other people have towards them, I blame them still. And I know that videos like this will make people wise. We don't work for lazy people. No, we can't be working for lazy people to come to eat. Very shameful. He's in Europe or in one of these. He's not in Nigeria. Look at what he's thinking. Many people who travel sent dollars, millions of, hard currency home, fix their place. This one, I don't know how many years we go there. I don't know how many years we don't stay there. He shows say things no they work for him. He shows say he dey lazy, he no fit do anything. Let me tell you again, Igbos would prefer that Biafra than the so-called property. You can go with it if they want to leave it for you. Let me tell you, Igbos will rebuild. If they have their own nation, they will rebuild and come back. Remember what happened after the Biafra war? We started afresh. They did not blow whistle the same time for we and you people. You people left before the whistle was blown. We did not start at equal level playing ground. You moved before us. But that thing is in us. It is a grace of God. Igbo man will succeed anywhere. Even if they have to lose everything. But they will not lose it. I think there are no laws protecting people's properties in other countries. There are laws. It will be activated. Let me see if your so-called country will be an island. We not respect international laws. Keep waiting for what you will achieve. Make hypertension catch you. Because you will not get it. Meanwhile, I'm still advising my Igbo people, enough is enough. Akulue nuno. Akuluo nuno. Develop when buy. But there's other factory buy. For those who are telling our people that they shouldn't build in the East, they hardly occupy. East is fast developing, even though it's individual development and at individual pace, not government support. Our people should begin to if you come to Nnewi, you will see factories and factories employing people, thousands and thousands and thousands each factories. That is what we want in our place. Build them. There is nothing like village where they tell you, say, how many times you visit there. Very soon you'll be visiting there. By the grace of God, it will be your city. Shame on those who want to reap where they didn't sow. Please share this video widely. Add your comment if you have not added. Also subscribe. I am Atuka OJ. Bye bye for now.